Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So this was going to be a speed through video, but I was able to get my son to take a nap, so I'm going to do a talk through video so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. So we're going to be chit-chatting in this video. I'm going to do a get ready with me hair edition where you guys see me reapply one of my older wigs, which I have here. I'll leave a photo if I can find one of how this unit looked prior to me cutting it. Normally with my units, I tend to re-zhuzh them a little bit or cut them if they get a little bit tangled. That's a really good way to wear your wigs in different styles. No one would know it's like a new wig. So this is fairly old. I believe I've had this wig for about 3 years if I'm not mistaken, but I'll definitely leave the photo on the screen so that you guys know so that you guys can see how it looks prior to me cutting it. I did cut it to shoulder length so that it looks a lot more bouncier. The hair started to tangle a little bit, but it's still in good condition. As far as the lace is concerned, the lace is thinning a little bit, which happens over time. Camouflage that by wearing it free part or wearing it on a different side so that the places that are balding won't show. So I am going to be applying this unit, and I definitely wanted to talk to you guys and thank you guys so much for the support, the comments, the views, the subscribers. For all my brand new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. When I started YouTube back in 2015, I definitely wanted to put myself out there. I wanted to be transparent, but I did lose motivation because I do critique myself a lot. I'm like my biggest critic. So a lot of times when I look back at videos that I've recorded, you know, in the past, I like hate them so much because I wasn't so open or whatever the case is. I've always been a person that's been to myself. I was timid. I would say that I was shy back in the days, but I feel like I've definitely cracked out of my shell over the years, and I'm really, really proud of myself for that. So now with the pandemic and everything, it's definitely been a curse and a blessing for some, but I have had more time to focus on what I love to do, which is making content and show you guys how, you know, I zhuzh my hair and showing you guys how I apply my units. I definitely want to open up in regards to my alopecia. I do suffer from that. I've definitely mentioned it in my last videos. I'm definitely trying to see if I can regrow my natural hair back, but it's definitely hard because it's something that I have been dealing with quite some time. It's either I get really, really good progress, and then after that I just end up getting thinning and balding, and then it definitely upsets me. So that's the reason why I'm not really showing as much natural hairstyles at this time, but I'm definitely working on it. Once I'm ready, I'll definitely make a video or a separate video in regards to my progression for those of you that are also struggling with the same issues. I know that I've watched a lot of people with alopecia and I've seen great progress, so that gives me a lot of motivation. So let's get started with applying this unit. I'm actually going to be sipping on my lunch, which is a smoothie. I am going to be applying my unit with my Ghost Bond glue, which I'm running out and I keep forgetting to reorder. So this wig is giving me fall vibes, you know what I'm saying? Summer is pretty much over, which I'm sad to say. I love summer. I'm a summer baby, so I'm really sad to see summer go, but I'm excited for the fall, I guess, the colors and everything. So this is definitely me preparing for fall. I had dyed this hair, I believe, with box dye. I can't remember the color, but I'll probably do another video of how I achieved this color. It's really cute. I like it. So this is not new to you guys if you've been subscribed to my channel or have been tuning into my last videos. This is all old news. So I'm just going to be applying my wig, if this would stay. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing 3 coats as usual. And I'm going to be applying it in sections. And like I said, I'm running out of glue, so as far as applying your unit, definitely takes practice. I know that a lot of people struggle. I definitely struggled in the beginning with applying my units. I wasn't as great. I feel like I still need more practice, but I feel like I've gotten a lot better. But it takes a lot of you know, practicing. Once you definitely get the concept of how to apply it and where to apply it on your hairline, you can't go wrong. So I want to make sure that the glue dries clear, and then apply your second coat. Now I wear my wigs for a week, and reason being is because I don't want to be bothered by reapplying my units every single day. I do work from home, but I work out and I do post my workout videos on Instagram, so I want to look at least presentable for Instagram. So that's exactly why I leave my units on for the entire week. But you can definitely wear your wigs glueless. I know a lot of people don't like the glue. I don't have any issues with the glue. As you guys can see, my hairline, my hairline has never really, no, my hairline has never been affected by the glue. I make sure that I take it out the correct way. I mean, my edges are really bad. I have thin edges, and that's because I have alopecia. So you want to make sure that when you're applying it, you're not applying it directly to your hair if you have thick edges. Especially if you have a lot like thick hair, you might want to go to a stylist or somebody to apply it, just so that you're not breaking your edges. So there's a lot more other glues that you can use, but I'm so used to using the Ghost Bond glue. I've been using it for quite some time. I used to use Bow Hold, but Bow Hold isn't on Amazon, and I like 2-day shipping. I like to get my products quick. Like, I don't want to have to wait a week. So that's the reason why I use my handy dandy Ghost Bond glue. So I think I did enough. I didn't apply a generous amount this time around, but this is how I'm going to be doing. Again, this wig is fairly old. I've had this wig for, I believe, 3 years. So it looks a little raggedy, but we're gonna make it work. Those old wigs that you have in your closet, they still good. Don't throw them away. So I'm gonna use my rat tail comb to press down. I did the sides off camera because I was struggling with my Ghost Bond glue. There's nothing in there. I literally had to squeeze the life out of this to get some. I have to order some on Amazon. But anywho, I was able to get some. So I'm gonna pretty much do the baby hairs. I know for sure that I don't really want crazy baby hairs on this unit. I think I just want like a nice sleek hairline. So let's see what I can do. Yeah, all right, so I don't want crazy baby hairs. I don't know if I want to do a free part or a side part, middle part yet. I'm gonna do the hairline and see what route I'm gonna go. I just want like a messy hairdo, something nice, flowy, nothing too structured or anything like that. So I'm gonna use my Got To Be Glued to fix up my hairline, and I'm gonna start off with the sideburns. I have the sideburns here and right here. And with older wigs, if I didn't mention, this is a unit that I made in the past. I don't remember where I got the hair from, but the hair held up really well because I've had it for quite some time, and it looks really good. With your units, I feel like it's best to have, at least if you're not a wig wearer, you wouldn't have this issue. But if you're a person that wears wigs all the time, it's always good to have at least 3 wigs so that you can alternate, because that's what makes your wigs, that's how you make your wigs last. When you wear just one wig all the time, there's going to be a lot of wear and tear. You're going to have a lot of shedding. Your lace closures are gonna definitely shed, and you'll have some bald spots. So at least 3 wigs are good. You can alternate them 2 weeks, 1 week, whatever you want to do, but always deep condition them. I actually found a few videos of some YouTubers that know how to deep condition, and I actually follow that process, and I did it for a lot of my wigs, and they are still wearable. So the hairline, you're always going to zhuzh up. You're always going to pretty much fix it up to your liking, because every time you wear your wig, it's going to look different. To me, for me, whenever I wear my wigs, the first time of me installing it looks different from the second time, which is perfectly fine. Sometimes it looks better, sometimes it looks worse, but again, I'm doing my own hair, so I can always fix it to my liking. That's the advantage. But you know, if you're a person that don't really know much about it, it'll definitely take practice, because I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but now I do. So I think I'm just gonna really slick the edges back. I don't think I'm gonna really do any baby hairs or anything. So I like using my Got2b gel over mousse or any type of foaming mousse, because it stays. I work out every single day, so I need my hairline or my baby hairs to stay intact. I, for one, if I do my hair one day, I don't want to touch it again. I literally just want to wrap the hairline and go to sleep, wake up, and it's there. For those of you that like more natural baby hairs, then you might want to go the route with using mousse, because I know with the using mousse, you literally wrap it down and then you're able to comb the baby hairs. It looks more natural, but I just want mine to just stay there. But you do whatever works for you. By all means, there are no rules to wig wearing. You wear the wig the way that you want to wear it. I used to think that there were rules to it. There is definitely no rules. Like, wearing wigs have evolved over the years. It's so crazy how people went from wearing sew-ins to doing the invisible part. I don't know if you guys remember invisible parts, when they used to glue the wefts onto your hair. I used to do that back in the days. And then it went to lace closures, where you just had the lace in the middle and you had to part it. Now frontals have definitely evolved. So I'm definitely the frontals. All right, you guys, so this is how I think I'm going to leave it. Again, I don't know if I want to do a side, middle part, or a free part yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my silk scarf and set it, and I'll let it set for 10 minutes. This is how it's looking. Loving it. Very natural. Of course, when I wear my makeup and everything is going to look perfect. So I don't know what I want to do yet. I still haven't decided if I want to do free part or if I want to do a side part or middle part, but we're gonna figure it out together, y'all. We gonna figure this out together. This unit has always been my favorite. Like, I wonder if it'll last like another year or so. I think it will. Like I mentioned before, the lace frontal is thinning out, which is expected, and I have to literally camouflage, or probably have to fix it. I know that there's a lot of videos on how to fix balding frontals. I definitely have to take a look at that to do that, so that I can have this unit for some more time. But let's see. I'm really liking the way that it looks free part, so maybe I'll do that. Maybe add some more curls. What do you guys think? So I added some curls with my flat iron off camera, and this hair holds a curl really well. As you guys can see, it's not budging. Like, the hair is amazing. I believe this hair is from Yolisa. Now that I'm trying to think back, I believe this hair is from Yolisa hair. So maybe I'll do, I don't know guys, I'm conflicted. What should I do? All right, let's see. If I do a side part, this is how it would look, but then this part looks crazy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a free part. I've been loving my free parts lately, so let's do a free part and just have this hair do its own thing. I'm just gonna add some more curls to it, to the top. Yeah, what do you guys think? I think I like it. Free part it is. I'm gonna add some more curls. I'm gonna do my makeup and I will come back with the finished part. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I added the red lip with the vintage earrings. It's kind of giving me a pinup look vibe. I'm bringing fall to you guys with this cheetah print. I'm just ready for the earth tone colors. So if you have any old wigs, do not throw them out. You can definitely rejudge them, cut them, color them, fix the lace. There's a lot of videos on YouTube where you can fix your laces if the hairs are, if the lace frontal is balding. With this one, I didn't necessarily fix the lace. I just literally wore a free part. I think free part is my new thing because it's literally, you can do whatever. You can flip it to the side, flip it to the middle, whatever you want. As far as the baby hairs, if you despise baby hairs, this is the video for you. I did not do any baby hairs this time around. As you guys can see, very natural hairline with a little bit of a sideburn. Okay, I'm feeling myself right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Like this video if you guys liked it. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next. Communicate with me. Converse. I'll see you guys in my next video.